Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make potato dextrose agar. This nutrient-rich medium is widely used for cultivating fungi and yeasts in laboratory settings. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 200 grams of fresh potatoes, 20 grams of dextrose, and 15 grams of agar powder. Additionally, ensure you have 1 liter of distilled water ready for the preparation process. The first crucial step is to prepare the potato extract. Start by washing and peeling 200 grams of potatoes, then dice them into small, consistent pieces. Place these potato pieces into a pot with 500 milliliters of distilled water. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer until the potatoes are very soft, typically for about 30 minutes. Strain the liquid through cheesecloth to collect the potato extract, discarding the solids. Now, combine the remaining ingredients. Add 20 grams of dextrose and 15 grams of agar powder to your potato extract. Heat the mixture gently, stirring continuously until both the dextrose and agar are completely dissolved. Top up the solution with distilled water to a final volume of 1 liter. Transfer the medium into a suitable container and sterilize it in an autoclave at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once sterilized, let the PDA medium cool down to approximately 50 degrees Celsius before pouring. This temperature prevents condensation and ensures even solidification. Carefully pour about 15 to 20 milliliters of the warm agar into each sterile Petri dish. Allow the plates to cool and solidify completely on a level surface. Once solid, store the prepared plates inverted in a refrigerator to prevent contamination and extend their shelf life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.